Where did everybody go? Coral, get inside the house, Coral. No, Coral, don't. They'll be fine. Just get inside, you, right now. Good feelings gone. I can't see! I don't know where I'm going! The mask!
What mask? Okay, I can't see a thing.
Oh, gee!
Hey, look, a mask!
Read it!
I'm sorry, but if you could just bring a little closer, I kinda need the light. That's great. Keep it right there.
Just read it!
Okay. Mr. Bossy. P. Okay, P. Shirley. Not Shirley. Oh, the first line's P. Sherman.
P. Sherman doesn't make any sense!
Okay, second line. 42.
Don't even.
Light, please. Voila. The second line's 42, Wallaby Way.
That's great. Just finish up here. Speed read. Take a guess. No pressure, no problem. There's a lot of pressure. Pressure! Take a guess now with pressure.
Sydney! It's Sydney!
I'm dead. I'm dead. I died. I'm dead.
You just shut up! You rats with wings!
Bloke's been looking for his boy Nemo.
Nemo?
He was taken off the reef by divers, and this...
They're taking you, Harry! Hey, say that again. You just said something about Nemo. What was it?
Mine?
Hey, I know where your son is. Huh? Hey, wait! They're coming back! Stop!
Keep going! He's crazy!
I got something to tell ya!
Mine?
Okay, don't make any sudden moves. Hop inside my mouth if you want to live.
Hop in your mouth, huh? And how does that make me live?
Mine?
Because I can take you to your son.
Yeah, right.
No, I know your son. He's orange. He's got a gimpy fin on one side.
That's Nemo!
Fasten your seatbelts! Everybody hold on!
Mine?
All right, I'll talk! He went to the fishing ground!
Mine? 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 Mine?